Right here is 3 really cool Mopars. Right here is 3 really cool Mopars. This right here is a 1969 Dodge Coronet RT 440 car. The other side has the 440 emblem still on it. You can see some major work was done on it. You can see WS23L9G, or C, can't really see. But let's see here what we got here. It's an automatic or a manual on the floor. It's not on the column because can't see any kind of column shifter, but there's so many spare cool parts in there that really can't tell. Then over here is a 1969 Dodge Superbee. It is a 3D3 4-speed car. How awesome is that? It's also a side scoop car, which is pretty rare. You can see the 4, so let's see, I opened this up earlier. There you go, you can see. 4-speed on the floor, cool old sun tack on the column. Bench seat. And I love back here. So they've been back here for a long time. And you can see from the stripe, the moss that's growing on it. How neat is that? I mean, it's not neat. It's, you know, people are be like, oh no, that's terrible. But it's still here, it still exists. Yeah, it's a little rusty, but this can be fixed. Oh yeah. And then next to it is another Superbee. This one is a 70 Superbee. This one is a 3D3. I don't know if it's a 4-speed or automatic. I haven't gone through it yet. I want to show you real quick. This side, the Superbee stripe. These are both Bumblebee stripe cars from the looks of it. 70 Superbees had the option of having the C stripe. This one does not appear to have that. We can see the trunk lid still has some of the stripe left. And the Superbee emblem on the trunk lid, or on the taillight, like valance, or taillight surrounds. Ooh, you can see it. Ooh, something in my ear. Something in my ear. You can see the Ram Charger hood parts. I think, is this open? Oh, it is open. Nothing live. Oh, it's a 4-speed car. 3D3 4-speed with the Ram Charger parts and the trim. It's also floor delete for racing, right? You can see the Ram Charger hood is still on it. The scoops are in that garage that you saw earlier. There you go. And I don't know if you can tell, there's no engine in it right now. But it is a 3D3 4-speed Superbee. And this one is a 3D3 4-speed 69 Superbee. And that right there is a 440 automatic, I'm pretty sure, Coronet RT. Let's see if I can pop this hood. Oh, geez. Oh, wow. That engine's complete. Oh, wow, that is like time capsule kind of complete. That's crazy. I had no idea. Ooh, I just heard something buzzing. I better close that. Ooh. And then, see if we can pop this one. Oh, that one's not bolted on and I only have one hand. So let's see. There's no engine in there. So nothing to worry about. But very cool. Let's see if I can see the VIN with this one. WM23H9. That's pretty neat. And I'm not going back over there. But these cars, as of right now, and it's August 2025, they are for sale. The owner will tell me what she's asking for them, and if they do sell, I will put that in the description so no one bothers me. But yeah, I mean, that's something you don't see very often. That's cool. It was really awesome that the owner allowed me to go behind the main barn and check out these last 3 B-Bodies. There was other cars on the property and even in some of the buildings, but for some reason the doors were jammed and we couldn't get in. So this was the end of what she had at this location, and I still think these were some of the best cars there. I mean, there was nicer cars, but I mean, 3 B-Bodies, a 69 Coronet RT, a 69 Superbee, a 70 Superbee. I mean, I really considered trying to make an offer on one of them. I don't have a lot of money, but man, that 69 Superbee 3D3 4-speed, basically a complete car, with side scoops would have been an awesome rescue. And I think it might still be around, so maybe we'll see it back again. I really doubt it though. Hey Automotive Adventures, I hope you enjoyed that last video from my friend's place in Michigan. I'm actually in Michigan right now. I'm on my way home after being in Detroit basically most of the week, doing a whole bunch of different adventures. I'll give you a little sneak peek here for one that's coming up probably in about a month or so, because we got to get it sorted out. But heading home, just picked up my favorite pizzas from right down there. It's Silver Beach Pizza. If you know, you know. And another 2 hours and then I'm done for a bit. Oh, been a heck of a ride, let me tell you. But that's Lake Michigan, and these are the bluffs of St. Joseph. Beautiful downtown area. So yeah, this week I heard it's supposed to be not great in Chicago, but I hope to get out in the garage and get some stuff done. Let me know what you think. Of course, you know I drop a new video every Monday and all other kinds of social media shenanigans. So all the info is below, but if you have anything you want to message me, I do respond. So I appreciate it. Everyone stay safe. I'm here visiting a friend and we have a little visitor. What? What, Gabby? What? Really? Is that so? That's so interesting. I know, you're adorable. Thank you. Happy Hemi Day.